The CDC says suicide is the 9th leading cause of death in North Dakota as of 2022. Kiona Rivera joins us in studio on how groups across the state are helping to bring the number of deaths by suicide down. Kiona?
That's right, Joe. More than 49,000 people in the United States died by suicide in 2022, according to data from the CDC. And more than 1 million attempted to take their life. Communities across the state, like NDSU Extension, are hoping to reduce those numbers through their suicide prevention training. I spoke with an attendee and the Extension about their experience in the training. Just like the life-saving procedure CPR, there's also one for preventing suicide called QPR. It stands for Question, Persuade, Refer. That's what attendee Michelle Lochner learned about at Tuesday's training.
Those are scary questions. I don't want somebody to say, yes, I'm thinking about suicide, especially somebody that I really care about.
Instructors say this course gives you the confidence to reach out and save a life.
When you hear that there was a suicide somewhere near you, I think, oh wow, if I had just known, that that person needed help.
Lochner has had her certification for a while now, but says this course helps supplement her education as an instructor of a mental health first aid class. In fact, she's also had to use her training skills on someone in crisis.
There was some resistance right away, but just being able to sit with someone and know that I was a safe person, I think made it easier.
The skills she's learned help save a life.
It has actually developed into a relationship where we can reach out to each other if I'm struggling or if that person is struggling.
Instructors say one of the biggest challenges in approaching someone who may have suicidal thoughts is fear.
That's the first thing, it's just fear, and a lot of times fear, you just want to avoid that situation.
She says simple things like saying the word suicide or killing yourself can be challenging.
It's hard for people to say those words.
But they say it's normal to not know all the answers, and just being a support to someone is enough. The Extension plans to host more in-person and virtual suicide prevention classes in the future. We'll have their information on our website. You can dial 988 to reach the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. It's available 24 hours. Joe?
All right, thank you for that story, Kiona.